Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. 10 insane Google Notebook LM features you need to try in 2026. Number 10. For years, creators and professionals have been drowning in manual content creation. Formatting slides, fixing layouts, resizing text, it takes forever. Now, Notebook LM auto generates complete editable PowerPoint decks directly from your documents. Instead of struggling with formatting all night, the AI instantly creates beautifully structured slides with talking points ready to go. And it goes way beyond presentations. Notebook LM now creates cinematic video overviews. Just upload a massive research PDF, customize the audience, and the AI generates a fully narrated video presentation with dynamic visuals, animations, transitions, and cinematic pacing. It even generates instant AI infographics in styles like anime, clay, sketch notes, bento grids, kawaii, and professional business layouts. Number 9, we consume so much information every day that almost nothing sticks anymore. Notebook LM's famous AI podcast feature is now fully interactive. Instead of passively listening, you can pause the AI host, you can ask questions, challenge their ideas, and redirect the conversation in real time. You're basically talking directly with AI teachers. And the experience becomes even more powerful with customizable podcast modes like deep dive, debate, critic, educational mode. Imagine turning a difficult university textbook into a live AI debate while walking your dog or driving. Number 8, interactive mind maps. Notebook LM now generates interactive mind maps automatically. The AI identifies major concepts, supporting arguments, topic hierarchies, relationships between ideas. You can click around, expand nodes, and reorganize the structure visually. For complex subjects like quantum physics or advanced business strategies, it feels like having a visual second brain right on your screen. Number 7 is deep research mode. Research online usually means drowning in endless browser tabs. Notebook LM's deep research mode changes that completely. So here's the workflow. The AI searches through hundreds of websites, it gathers and compares sources, and it builds a structured report with link citations. Instead of wasting hours researching manually, Notebook LM acts like your own autonomous AI research assistant. Number 6 is custom AR personas. This feature gives users an insane level of control. Notebook LM now supports up to 10,000 characters for custom AI instructions. You can tell the AI to act like harsh PhD professor, analyze ideas like a startup investor, teach concepts like an expert shooter. This allows users to move beyond generic robotic AI responses and get highly specialized feedback tailored to their workflow. Number 5, businesses usually struggle with scattered information spread across apps, documents, spreadsheets, reports, folders, etc. Notebook LM now works as a universal AI workspace that organizes messy data into automatic smart tables. The AI instantly structures earning reports, competitor analysis, research files, and company documents. So everything becomes clean, organized, and sortable automatically. Number 4 is universal file support. Notebook LM supports almost every major file type you can think of. It handles PDFs, Google Docs, Word files, EPUB ebooks, Google Sheets, handwritten notes, images, meeting transcripts, and direct Google Drive imports. This means Notebook LM is no longer just a note taking app, it's becoming a central intelligent hub for all of your files and knowledge. Number 3 is Notebook LM Plus. Google also launched Notebook LM Plus for power users and enterprise teams. The Plus version includes priority access to Gemini AI, enterprise level security, expanded usage limits, and better overall performance. While the free version remains powerful, the Plus tier is clearly designed for professionals and businesses that need more advanced AI capabilities. Number 2 is 600 source uploads. This number is absolutely insane. NotebookLM Plus allows users to upload up to 600 different sources into a single notebook. That's crazy. That means you could upload entire company histories, years of financial reports, full research archives, and entire semesters of textbooks. Then interact with all of it inside one massive AI powered workspace. Number one of the most underrated upgrades is ecosystem integration. NotebookLM allows users to export smart data tables and reports directly into Google Sheets with a single click. This seamless connection between AI workflows and productivity tools makes everything dramatically faster and more efficient. And honestly, NotebookLM is evolving into something much bigger than a notebook app. So it's becoming a full AI operating system for research, learning, productivity, and content creation. So can Notebook LM eventually replace traditional apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel entirely? Because after these updates, that future suddenly feels very close. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Bloggy from Technic Force. Run successful blogs on hands-free mode. AI Autoblogger gets you unlimited organic traffic with unique high-quality articles. The only AI writer that uses multi-AI and creates how new content based on latest trends. Get traffic, authority, leads, sales, and build organic success for any business you choose. Bloggy AI creates better and unique articles with multiple AIs. Bloggy gives you the option to use all of the best AIs to write unique and high-quality content that stands apart and ranks faster. Writes fresh and original content on 100% autopilot. Bloggy can run on full autopilot. Just give it topics and keywords, and it will automatically churn out fresh articles as often you want on complete autopilot. No need to manually write each article separately. Algo keeps articles fresh and relevant. Writes highly relevant articles on the schedule you specify. Create articles in any language. You can use Bloggy to create articles in any language you want. Choose between all the languages that your favorite AI supports, including English, Spanish, French, Japanese, Italian, Hindi, Chinese, German, and dozens more. Select any websites and automatically rewrite their articles in the language of your choice. It automatically posts articles to your WordPress blogs, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Bloggy now. Just go to getbloggy.in.